Hey everybody, Maureen here. This video today is to share some different kind of layouts that I've been making with the kits that I've been getting from the scrap room. And I think it's really cool that I'm getting the amount of pages done with the supplies that I'm getting sent. So I want to show you a couple of the layouts that I've made. This is with one of the kits. It's a crafting kit by Echo Park. I don't know the name. I can't remember the name of it. And I think I got quite a few papers all together. So I was able to make quite a few layouts. So here's one. And of course, they're not all finished. These are basically just like base pages. So here is a second one. Here's the third one. And so I got 4 out of that kit. And this one was, I think, By the Lake or In the Lake by Bella Boulevard. It was a September 2023 kit. And I was able to make, this was the last one that I made. This was the second one. Maybe, if I can get it. That's the second one. And then this was the first one that I made with that collection. So cute. And see, this kit was American Crafts Moonlight and Magic or something like that. I can't remember. So this one is a double page layout. So there's one page, there's the other one. Okay, and then here is the second. So I got 3 pages out of that kit. Okay, and so then I put all my leftovers together. So this is from the crafting kit. These are the leftovers, and then we'll flip it over. That's the Late collection by Bella Boulevard. And then this is the leftovers that I have from the American Crafts collection. Moonlight Magic, I think is what it says. And then I have a pile, as you can see right here, of layouts that are not fully completed. They're most of the way there. But a lot of these were made from different kits from the scrap room as well. And what I've been doing, I store my scrap room kits here in this big old bin. And if I get several papers from the same collection, or I have the same collection, I might add my things to it. It just depends. It's a case by case basis, I guess you could say. But what my hopes of doing are showing you, pulling out one of these kits and then making as many base pages or pages as I can together while videotaping it to show you my process. So if you think you'd be interested in those kinds of videos, then tune back in. Thanks so much. Happy crafting, everybody.